Today we will show the replacement of the 8th generation plastic handheld welding head protective lens. First, open the dust cover. Pull out the protective lens drawer. Cover the dust cover to prevent dust from entering. Rotate to remove the pressure ring. Replace the protective lens. The protective lens is not divided into front and back. After replacement, lock the pressure ring. Put the protective lens back into the mirror compartment. Cover the dust cover. Protective lens replacement completed.